Welcome to Katerina Finds. I received this nightstand with charging port for review. Let's open up, put together and see how it works. It comes with very easy assembly instruction. I'll put everything together, show you the sneak peeks of it, and then we'll see how it works in my bedroom.
This nightstand comes with clear instructions that show illustrations and mark all the spare parts. All kind of screws are labeled and packed in separate bags, and all parts are labeled too. An easy to follow instruction manual will help you assemble this nightstand easily. It really took me less than an hour and I didn't have any special tools except screwdriver. It was probably the easiest piece of furniture I ever placed together. Overall dimensions of this table is 15.5-inch length, 22 width, and 24 height. This wooden nightstand offers exceptional storage capacity with one smooth sliding drawer, an open shelf for easy access, and spacious tabletop. Whether you store in books, remotes, or bedside essentials, the combination of closed and open storage keeps everything organized and within reach, perfect for modern, clutter-free living. The beveled groove design on the drawer front adds a touch of uniqueness and elegance to the overall appearance, making the entire cabinet look more stylish and comparable with your various furniture styles. You can place it in the living room, bedroom, or other rooms. It can be perfect by the couch, by the entrance, by the bed, and in many other places in the house. My son liked it so much due to charging outlets that he decided that it will fit his bedroom perfectly. It offers functional charging station, stay powered up day and night with the integrated charging station on the tabletop of this bedside table, equipped with USB charging port and Type-C port on the top surface. It allows for convenient charging of your electronic devices. Perfect for charging your phone, smartwatch, or laptop right at your bedside, and it makes it easy to keep room tidy and orderly. It's made of ultra-durable MDF board which built to last.
This is such a great nightstand. It took me a very little amount of time to put it together because there are no doors that need to be aligned by any means. The drawer is so spacious, so many things, necessities that needs to be taken out of sight just to keep it clean and neat and tidy can be stored away. Works so well, has such a nice handle, so much space in lower part that is open so you can either decorate or keep something that's super easy for you to reach and very convenient to be in an open space. Overall, no smells, the quality is so great. Had some extra screws, one of each, so if something happened and you lost one in the carpet while putting it together, you always have a spare. Very neutral, beautiful color. It also comes in white. I love it so much. Love that it comes with USB-C and USB-A outlets that plug in into the outlet so you can have all your chargers next to you. It's such a great quality craftsmanship. Each hole was matching so well. It's not clumsy. It's made very greatly. It was delivered in a nice big box with extra covering around, so it was absolutely no damage to anything what was inside. I love it. I hate when you open the package and something damaged. Overall, such a great nightstand. Doesn't have to be only nightstand, can be used next to the couch as a side table, can be used by the entrance. So many different ways where you can utilize such cabinet/nightstand. I love it and I do recommend it.